Namaste and welcome to this color pencil drawing tutorial. Today we are drawing a devotional portrait of Prabhu Jagannath using grid method for accuracy. This is beginner friendly video, so follow along step by step and enjoy the process. I am using a grid 15 by 24 cm sheet and dividing it into 5 by 8 grid. Each square is 3 by 3 cm. Use a light pencil like HB or 2H for grid. This helps in accurate placement of each detail. Don't worry about the perfection. Using grid as a guide, I am starting the basic outline. We begin with crown, then move to face and big circular eyes of Prabhu Jagannath and ornaments. Follow step by step, it makes the process much easier and accurate. Use a light pencil for drawing the grid and outline. This makes it easier to erase later without damaging the paper. Double check the proportions while sketching. Work square by square to avoid distortion. Don't rush the outline. A clean sketch makes coloring much easier. Work square by square, not the whole drawing at once. Focus on what inside each box. It simplifies even complex shapes. Break down features into simple forms like circle, oval, rectangle, or curves inside each grid box. Once the basic form is in place, I lightly refine the lines and clean up unnecessary marks. You can softly erase the grid now if it's distracting, or wait until coloring is done. Now let's start coloring with color pencils. We begin with crown. Use light pressure and build up the tone gradually. Work in layers for smooth finish. Slow and steady shading gives best results. Use circular stroke or one-directional strokes for smooth fields. Avoid patchiness. Keep your pencils sharp, especially for eyes, ornaments and small details. Choose high contrast colors like bright red, yellow and deep black to reflect the traditional Jagannath style. Always begin with soft, even layers. Build up gradually to avoid harsh lines and blotchy textures. This technique allows easy blending and corrections later. For the face of Prabhu Jagannath, usually black, slowly build the black layer in 2-3 passes for velvety finish. Sharp tips of pencil are essential for fine details like eyes, jewelry or outlines. Use 3 layers minimum for depth: base tone which is light, mid tone medium pressure, shadow or highlights dark or white pencil. Don't rely on just one color. For example, for gold, mix yellow, brown and touch of orange. For red ornaments, layer red, maroon and highlight with white for shine. Apply color in same direction to avoid patches. Also avoid rubbing with your hands. Use a paper under your hand to prevent smudges. Use multiple layers of black to fill area. As I mentioned earlier, for gold, mix yellow, brown and touch of orange. here I am using soft pastel for the background. And here is our finished artwork of Prabhu Jagannath. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tag me if you try this artwork. I would love to see your version. Jai Jagannath.